Good morning and sliding into afternoon. Nana here, also known as Judy Allen, San Antonio, Texas. So today it is about just changing a color, right? So we're going to make two today cards from Paper Pumpkin Kit. And what I'm going to show you is just making one color change makes a difference. And you will have to tell me what you like best, all right? So with that, let's do this and go down the hands, all right? It's a fun kit, beautiful kit. So these are the things we've already made, all right? We already made from the Sunny Zoe and Our Live, and then last week we made this. This is our alternative card we made last week. See, it's very pretty, and it's so we're using some of the same components today, but we're changing colors, and we're still using where we cut the envelope. And so what I have here is this is number one. And this is the envelope that we opened up and just dissected it, right? So we took it, we shaved off the sides, and I'm getting that for you so I can see them. So yes, for some reason you don't hear me, let me know. My techie is not here, and I am in charge of techie stuff, and that's scary. All right, so we just took off the edges here, right? So this whole envelope is one side's white, the other one's got the leaves on it. So we just took the leaves part, right? And we cut it in half and got it here. This is nothing other than the actual card base that was in the kit. So like I show you right here, this is the card, and you just fold it in half. But I cut it, right? So it'd be the same size as this right here. So all we're going to do with this one here is I'm going to show you this here. We're going to put this one together, and then we're just going to change some colors just so you can see what the difference by changing one color, right? Just making a few changes can give you something totally different. This one's fun and easy, right? Because all we did, these are roughly, so this is roughly 1 3/4 inches wide by about 4 3/4. So that's about what you're going to get when you trim off the sticky part to lick the envelope and close it, right? So all we're going to do is put these together right here to start off with, okay? Let me get it centered. I just want to get it centered, right? So this is a good and easy way, especially the holiday season. We're not doing Christmas cards at the moment, but it is a good way to make some pretty easy Christmas cards to get out that you have made, right? Because when you send out handmade cards to family, friends, or just even a stranger and make their day, they're just amazed at what you've done. So I'm just doing it like this here. The reason why I did this is I wanted these two to butt up to one another like this. And I'll show you in a minute why. Let's get it anchored right here. Is because this one has just a little bit of an angle. If I had butt the two of these up together like that, you would have really noticed it. Now let me show you what I mean. So if I put this side by side right here, see it's just got a little bit of a gap there. You'd notice it a lot more than you would right now. And you might not even notice it at all, period, if I haven't pointed it out. But it's either there. My role, I wouldn't say it's a job because I enjoy doing this and I enjoy giving you tidbits and things like that to help you out. It's not a job. I don't know what to call it, but it'd be let's try a hobby on steroids, right? I don't know. It's Friday, right? It's going to be a great weekend. We have nice weather here. It's not going to be super, super hot. Alright, so there we go. We got our two colors side by side. And see, we needed a light color behind here because this is really dark, right? And I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so then all we're going to do is take this here, and it's a pumpkin. I know at first it looked like a flower or something, but it's really a pumpkin, okay? And we're just going to put it in the center here, and we're going to put it up on dimensionals. Dimensionals are in our kit. So I'm just going to use the dimensionals here. And then we're going to stamp the tag. And then I'm going to show you the other one that we can do. It's just as pretty, but we're just going to change color, okay? We're going to change one color in the background, and you're going to see the difference that it makes. Hello, Linda. We need to do lunch for you guys head out of town. All right, so we're just going to put this right here in the middle, okay? Now I'm going to stamp this here. Linda has an amazing mom. Whoop, whoop. Oh, I'm just talking about your mother, too. And I just talked about how amazing she was. She is. It's not was. She is amazing all the time. Don't ever think she's not amazing all the time. Yes, so we need to do lunch. Even if it's today, we can do lunch. How about that? Can we do a mad scramble for lunch? So all I'm going to do here now is I'm just going to put this on dimensionals. Now I'm going to use the same dimensionals I just had here. It's good. I hadn't seen I got to see Linda the other day because I stopped by. Didn't get to see Mom though. Missing you guys. And I definitely didn't get to see the dogs either. She's got little Winston and Roxy Rose. And we're just going to put this little thank you right here. It's just, you can either cross over the top or the bottom. Okay, so that's card number 1. Now let me show you card number 2. Card number 2 is exactly the same, okay? The difference is we're going to use a dark background, okay? Because this is a dark background, I have a scrap here I can show you. This is, you can't, the dark and dark's not going to pop, okay? So if I put this dark right here on this, it's really not going to show up, right? So I just swapped this out. This is actually the envelope. So I've sliced and diced the envelope. So here's the envelope, and you see I cut it apart. Let's see. No, it's not the envelope. It's the treat bag, I guess. It's really a treat bag. So, but what you have to do this is you're going to have to cut it with scissors first, right? And then you can use... So that's, I had to swap out, right? But looky here. So you can just see what the difference is. We're going to put it down so you can see what the difference is. Same layout. Basically same color scheme, except I had to switch around the light and dark, right? But it just gives it a different look. So it's really a preference of what do you like, right? So, for example, if it was my daughter and I, she likes a lot of things in black. And I don't. That's okay. That's what makes the world go round. Okay, so when you do this side here, because it makes it look like it's got texture. It doesn't really have texture, but it gives you that look and feel. So we're just going to put this right here, and we're going to do the same thing we did on the other card. So you see we've got the same thing. We're going to mirror it, but we just made some color changes. That's all we've done. Yeah, there's no reason why I can't. I should sit there and see if I can take you guys. We can go to Chewy's. Maybe I can get you guys to go to lunch at Chewy's. That would be nice. All right, I'm just going to put it right here. Okay? The same layout. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the pumpkin here. And we're just going to put dimensionals and raise it. But I just want to show you just how you can make color changes and get a different look, right? And I'll post it later. We'll see who likes which one better. Everybody has a preference, right? Somebody either likes the right or they like the left. It always works out that way. Not everybody says, I only like this one. And then we'll put this here. And you know what you can do? It's not in the kit, but I love using Wink Stella. So we could add a little Wink Stella. Give the pumpkin a little sparkle. And that would be it. Do the same thing here. So I just want to show you, right? Because I want to show you how you can take the same thing and get a different look just because we change colors. So you decide. Do you like the one on the left, which is very vanilla? And the one on the right here, I want to say, but I wouldn't like hold my feet to the fire, is Lost Lagoon. I'm pretty sure. Yes, it is. I'm looking at the ink spot, so you can see the ink spot and stuff match. So it's a Lost Lagoon as the cardstock. I had to think about that a second. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Oops, I'm going to just put it right here. And you got two easy, simple cards. We just changed the color scheme, right? And it just shows you what the difference looks like. So that's how easy it is to go from your kit, make an alternate, and make two easy cards. That all we did was change the background color and add some cardstock, right? Because the cardstock was not in the kit. So we added cardstock. Now keep in mind, if you're going to use darker cardstock, you're going to have to put something in here on the inside, right? Before you can write a note and send it to somebody. So there you go. I just want to show you how simple those things are. That's what it's all about, right? It's all about creating, sharing, and giving. And if we can make it simple, it gets us out the door quicker, right? And sometimes we want to do elaborate. It doesn't matter. But today, most days, it's like, how can we get a card to someone, all right? So with that, be blessed. Go out there, create, share, and give. And I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, be sure to follow us not only here on Facebook, but also on YouTube, and we're also on Instagram. YouTube, we post our videos, and Instagram, we post our cards. All right? And if you want to keep up to date with us, we also have a newsletter, and all you gotta do is click the link below the video here, and it's there, and you can get our newsletter as well too. All right, be blessed, enjoy the weekend, and look forward to seeing you next Friday with Teach Me Nana, and we'll do a third alternative. All right, bye.